Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Well, today is all about Christmas. Come on, let's go get started.
This recipe is from Food and Wine, though I've adapted it a little bit.
If you like nut brittle, just wait until you try this recipe. Here we're going to start by roasting the nuts. I've got about 12 ounces of nuts all together. Here I've got cashews, peanuts, walnuts, and pistachio. I'm going to throw these in the oven at 300 degrees just for about 5 minutes to bring out the flavor. If you don't have a kitchen scale, that's approximately 3 cups of nuts. We're going to start by combining 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, 1 whole stick of unsalted butter, and 1/3 cup of light corn syrup. We're going to put this into a large pot and we're going to cook it over a medium-high heat until it reaches 300 degrees on a candy thermometer. Give it the occasional stir. So as you can imagine, this gets really hot. Do not be tempted to lick the spoon. You will be sorry if you do. This is a candy thermometer. If you don't have one, maybe you have an instant read thermometer that you use. You could probably use that as well by just dipping it in occasionally to see what temperature you're at. Okay, so once it reaches the temperature, turn off the heat and carefully put in the baking soda. Stir that in for a minute, and then we're going to put the nuts in, and then we're just going to pour it right into the pan. Now quickly pour it into your pan and spread it thin, and then you just let it sit up. And just let that cool. So there it is. Okay, so take a look at that and tell me what you think. It looks beautiful. Look at this piece right there. That's ready for eating. Wow, just take a look at that. Serve that to your guests or box it up and give it as a gift. That is beautiful. Look at that brittle. Give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of that video. Leave your questions and comments below and be sure to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.